Nothing says Father's Day weekend like grilled citrus swordfish. We take a center cut swordfish loin and we marinate it in a citrus balsamic sauce. We grill it. We take some marinated plum tomatoes with some garlic, some olive oil, a little spinach, feta cheese. Toss that all up in a saute pan, serve it over a bed of wild rice. It's grilled citrus swordfish, and it is so good. Off the hook. Hey, she's coming out. Spectacular. So good. Where else are you gonna be on Father's Day? Oh, the weekend. Take that out. Oh, good. Good? Perfect. Perfect.